Hey guys, it's Ewan with the Air Zoo. It's October, which means it's the Southwest Michigan Membership Cultural Exchange, which means Air Zoo members get free access to some amazing cultural institutions in the area. One of those institutions is the Kalamazoo Nature Center, and I'm here this morning to take part in a little bit of bird banding. Now, what is bird banding? I don't really know. That's why I'm here, to figure out what it is, why it's important, and just to chat and see what it's all about. So let's check it out.
Well, the bird banding program here at the Nature Center started in late 1960s, early 70s. The founding father of the Nature Center, Batts, was very much into birds and bird research, so he started the bird banding program, and it's been going strong since. It's one of the longest running bird observatories in the United States.
The Nature Center has 15 bird banding nets around their observatory. These nets are hard to see and are placed in strategic locations to catch birds as they navigate through the Nature Center's vegetation. The nets are designed to safely capture birds in flight and contain them in a pocket section ready for retrieval. These nets are checked periodically during observation hours and catch a variety of birds. Some of these birds are seasonal visitors, and others hang around the local area all year. Most of these birds are easy to retrieve from the nets, but some require careful untangling. Each species has their own personalities, with some calm and collected during the process, and others, like this titmouse, being a little bit dramatic.
Bite and bite and make a bunch of racket when you take them out.
This blue jay was our biggest catch of the morning. Once the nets have been checked and birds retrieved, they are brought to the observatory for data collection. Birds are identified, sexed if possible, and banded on the right leg. If the bird already has a band from the Kalamazoo Nature Center or another organisation, that number is noted. Birds are also checked for fat in a pretty undignified way. They're weighed and then later released back into the Nature Center. Bird banding helps monitor the population and health of birds in our community, and it provides valuable data for researchers around the world. Learn more about bird banding by visiting the Kalamazoo Nature Center during October's Southwest Michigan Cultural Membership Exchange.